Hey guys, my name's Quentin. I haven't done a video in a little while. It's actually been over 1 month since I've been recording my uncle's linear belt drive garage door opener. Yeah. Well, it's been like 1 month ago when I recorded my uncle's linear belt drive garage door opener. I do have a couple videos of his linear belt drive garage door opener. And it's been over 1 month. We're back in my garage again, showing you my Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. The model number is 139.57915. Manufactured of August 10th of 2018. I know the corner right there kind of looks like that I know it barely looks like that the label is kind of peeling off a little bit. But it was actually kind of melted right there, because when I was putting the light bulb inside of when I was putting a different light bulb a few years ago, and it was way too hot, much more hot than these two LED light bulbs. And that's what I was guessing. Well, I think I'm guessing that when I was putting the light bulbs that are too hot, and it actually, and I'm guessing that it melted that label, but you can still see the model number and the manufacture date. By the way, about those LED light bulbs, they are brand new, and I think I got those light bulbs last week, and I decided to have those light bulbs be installed on this opener. I got those light bulbs from Walmart. And I wanted to try out those LED light bulbs. They still work on the garage door opener as you're currently seeing it right now. But on this model, it'll not interfere the remotes. So that's pretty good. So that it's, I prefer having the LED light bulbs better than the old-fashioned ones, so that it doesn't burn my hands. The old-fashioned ones are a lot more dangerous than the spiral ones and the LED light bulbs. So that it's more better for the environment while you're opening and closing your garage door. I do have the remote still. This one is actually not the original remote that this opener came with. But the other one in my The other opener came with this remote. It was the one that's the newest battery backup Craftsman garage door opener. It's actually for my battery backup garage door opener and the one in my room that I showed you some other videos of. I'll show you the model number on this remote. Let's make sure my cell phone is focusing on the model number and the manufacture date. Come on. Come on, focus. There we go. The model number is 953 ESTD, manufactured of April 2024. It's the one where my other garage door opener that's currently in my bedroom. I actually got the other opener for Christmas. The one that came with this remote. I'll show you that opener in the other video. But it's not the original remote, but it does work on my 57915 in my garage. It does have the wall button, but I'll use the wall button a little bit later. Now let's go ahead and use this remote first, and here we go. The door is a little bit noisier than the opener. The opener is not too loud. Let's go ahead and do an outside viewing real quick with the closing. But I'm not going to use the keypad at this time. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with this this remote again, and here we go. Now we'll open it back up. We will use that remote again. And now we'll open it from the outside viewing, and here we go. By the way, I was thinking about parking one of my favorite cars in this garage, but there was like but they, actually, the plumbers were, digging for the pipe because, our pipes are easily leaking sometimes, and because of the roots under the ground, where we had to fix the pipe for the for our bathrooms. Hopefully we'll have this hopefully we'll have this thing be covered up as soon as we get the thing covered up for the and I hope the pipes are not leaking multiple times. The roots keep breaking our pipes easily sometimes. All right, let's go ahead and close the garage door with this remote, and here we go. I do have the keychain remote. I'm gonna use the keychain remote to operate this garage door opener. Let's go ahead and start operating this garage door opener with the keychain remote, and here we go. All right, now let's go ahead and close the garage door again with the keychain remote, and here we go. Okay. Here is the wall button over there. I'll use the wall button momentarily. There's something that I wanted to tell you before I operate the garage door opener one more time. So, about this door, I was thinking about getting a different garage door for this garage, because I was thinking about having this door be replaced by next year, because I'm very, very tired of this door, but my parents are not in the mood to have the garage door be replaced, but I was thinking about having the door be replaced without having the whole unit be replaced. All right. Now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time with this wall button, and here we go. Our garage door opener is working pretty good. I was thinking about having the garage door be changed to the one that I really liked a lot. Because I am very, very tired of this garage door. Not the opener, just the door. But my parents are not as tired of this garage door as I am. I was thinking about having this door be replaced by next year. All right, now let's go ahead and do one final close with the garage door by using this button, and here we go. There. The garage door is closed. By the way, I know the emergency release handle on this garage door opener is upside down, but you don't need to tell me that the emergency release handle is upside down, because I really like it when the emergency release handle is upside down. It kind of looks cool for me to have the emergency release handle be upside down. By the way, there is something different that I'm going to show you, a different wall button on this garage door opener. But it's not going to be a standard wall button that doesn't have the light and lock button. But I can't tell you what the other one is until I can't tell you what the different button looks like, but you'll see until I show you another video that I'm going to show you that I'm going to install for this garage. I am really tired of this wall button in this garage, and I was thinking about getting another one. And I actually got one on eBay, but I'll show you which wall button looks like in the next video. And I was thinking about having this wall button taken to my room. Alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.